At first, I was like, feet, as a joke. But bro, I don't think it's a joke anymore.
Jerry, get out of the way of the trailer. What are you doing? No, Jerry, he has a job to do. Leave him alone. Don't walk away from me, Mr. Man. Rocket ship, be free!
You're my friend now.
Heavy Tito Tobins.
What are your thoughts on LGBTQ plus rights?
Yep.
And I want to apologize to all of you for what I did. It was very wrong and I am very sorry. I just would like to move on and lead a normal life, you know.
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy. Super spy!
Show your dog as a puppy versus now.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same.
Doing annoying things to my dog that he does to me. Barking when he's asleep.
Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Whose goddamn white baby is that?
This is your baby, okay? He's just light-skinned.
Can you not?
Anybody else, when they were like younger, started calling their dog by like a nickname and now that's all their dog responds to? I'll go first. Striker, come here. Come here. Come here. Poopy face, come here. Come here.
Uh-oh, you guys know what this means. Bailey, like for him to get the chicken nugget? Or skip and he doesn't get the chicken nugget? Did you guys like? You did?
Why is it spicy?
Alright guys, so he's sleeping right now. Watch this. Chapo. Chapo. Do you want a treat?
You know why dogs are better than cats? Because a cat will try to bite your hand off if you accidentally touch it in the exact wrong spot. But you could smack a dog in the nose and they're like, do you want to play frisbee?
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my edges back. I got my edges back.
Do you want to come over and cuddle with me? No? Yeah? Okay. Come here.
Put it.
Indy.
Put it down.
Do you want me to still hold her or you want to just go for it? Because of the mitt. What do you want me to do? Oh no, I think you should hold her. Get it, get it.
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
Did you see that? That was crazy.
Okay, get in the car. It ain't that high. Go on. In the car. Leaving your dog Doritos on the ground. Why can't you just get in the car? All right, then.
Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on, get in. Come on. Come on, get in. Come on, Charlie. Charlie. Get in the tub. Charlie. Come on. Go. Charlie. Charlie. Get in the tub.
So this is my kitten, Timmy. I just fed him dinner, by the way. He just, he's purring and he wants more food because he's fat. Yeah.
He say wayo.
Boom boom boom, let me hear you say wayo. I say boom boom boom, and let me hear you say wayo.
Can I have a kiss, please? Stop, come on. Come on. Thank you. You're a good boy. Oh.
Yeah.
Aquí, no me gruñas, no me gruñas.
What do you mean you don't want to be the TikTok? Don't be scared. What are you, a chicken? I said, what are you, a chicken?
His release command is free, and I am trying to trick him.
Friends? For French freak frog frosting, free.
Look at that, that's so funny.
I want to talk about his fall winter hair real quick.
You're so cute.
So it looks pretty short compared to like what he had for his summer hair, but it's really thick and it's so soft, you guys. I wish you could feel it. Oh.
Yeah. Again. Oh. Yeah, I'm in now. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Look. I see them. I see them. You're so clever. I can't have this hand going as well because that has camera on it. Yeah.
Filha. Hey.
Hello! Oh, I'm sorry. This is my baby girl, Daylily. I just adopted her today. She's so sweet. And I figured for her first meal in the house, she gets a nice, juicy steak. I'm letting it cool down for her. Yeah.
Get him.
Oh! Oh!
I know you've been asking for this for a little while now. We think you're finally ready for it.
Okay.
Okay, here it is. Open it up.
What?
Here.
Oh. Thank you. No. Is it a puppy? Oh, thank you, thank you. I love him already. Oh, he's so soft. I'm gonna name him Rufus.
Alright, so here's a pet trick for you. If your dog is barking out the window and you want him to stop, instead of yelling shut up, essentially just barking even more, just go peek out the window, pat your dog on the side, tell him good job, walk away. Now your dog feels like they did their job by warning you that there's potential danger outside, and they feel fulfilled because you rewarded them, told them they did a good job, and now they can go back and relax because you said it's safe. Give it a try. Works like 80% of the time.
Cada vez que me baño me hace daño, por eso me baño una vez al año.
What's up, Pack? Little close-ups? Huh? That Roby girl?
Yeah, you're so good. Good, Andy. That's my boy, Lex. Good Millie girl. Good Finnegan. That's my boy, Hutch. You're a good baby. Good Molly. That's Eddie. Hi, buddy. How are you? Good Max. Good Larky. Good Ginger Cookies. That's my girl. Good Sophie. Abby girl. Yeah, you're so good. You're a good girl. Yes, you are.
Let's see who knows how to sit.
Zoe, can you sit? Zoe. Good girl. Phantom, can you sit? No? Okay. Nevi, can you sit? Good boy. Ben, can you sit? Sit. Good boy. Rosie. Rosie. Okay. Alan, can you sit? No, head empty, no thoughts. Oh, hello. Hello, Nevi. Rosie, can you sit now? Can you, no. Nike, sit. Nike, can you sit? Okay. Sky, I don't really think this is sitting, but you're doing a great job.
Hi, puppies. Are you puppies? I have some food. Would you like some? I don't want you to be by the road. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. Your friend, he looks hurt. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, no. Hi. Hi, baby.
So, I'm here to show you, this cat that I had to take home because somebody dropped it off when she was 3 weeks old at my clinic that I work at because I'm a vet tech, and I took her home. She she could barely move around on her own still. Her eyes were just open. And now that she's older, she's I don't know, 7 weeks old now. She's crazy. I don't know what to do. She's she attacks the fuck out of me and then runs away. And I've got scratches and bites all at my arms and legs. And I just don't know what to do anymore. Help.
Alright, I'm here at the cemetery. There was some kittens here earlier. So I'm gonna try to catch them. Hi, that was fast. Oh my God, hello. Hey. Oh, this might not be so bad. You look like you have a little eye infection. That's not so hard. Oh, we can definitely fix you right up. You're like little mini Novas. Oh. Just hungry?